I know you're really trying to change Earth into a more mechanical planet instead of a planet based on nature, which is really sad. You'd rather have an artificial environment than a natural ecosystem. And to build this artificial environment, you need to destroy the natural ecosystem with all your mining and putting holes in the ground and extracting pieces of the Earth's body. She's alive. She breathes. She gives life to everything. All the trees and wildlife is dying because the Earth is dying. And we're next. The humanity's been in decline for decades because we've been destroying the Earth. You putting the chemtrails in the sky, fluoride in the water, chemicals down the drain. They've introduced all these hair chemicals and hair colors that destroy the water. And then the chemicals to recycle is worse than producing the product in the first time. Take a look at the chemicals required to recycle paper alone. They have to be put in toxic recycling gallon drums because it's toxic. And then those 55-gallon drums rust. And all those bad chemicals that have been sitting in the barrels for who knows how long is leaching into the environment. You need to wake up fast because the planet is at the point of no return. If you don't stop mining and digging and boring and chopping down the trees and bulldozing and scraping all the open areas to put condos and parking lots. Remember? You paved paradise when they put up a parking lot? All those green plants and grass create oxygen, and all we're doing is contributing more poison to the environment than oxygen producing products, and it's sick. Even solar panels is toxic.